Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back. Guys, I hope everyone is doing well. Today we have a game that I'm gonna ask my children's question about their character, and as you guys can see, there are 3 pictures of each. 3 picture of Sajjad, 3 picture of Muhammad, 3 picture of Sajjad.
Is that me?
sorry guys, 3 picture of Amir. So they will hold the pictures and I will ask them question. Whoever suit the question, they will pick up their pictures. Now I'm going to say it in Pashto as well. Granu malgaro laka څنګه چې تاسو ولیدا موږ نن یو لوبه لرو. ما درې عکسونه پرینټ کړي دي. دوی به دا عکسونه کوي زه د دوی د عادتونو په باره کې سوال کوم او چې هر څه هغه سره سوال سره برابر و دوی به د هغه نه پر عکسونه ماته ښیي. نو راځئ چې ګورو. Sajjad, this is for you, and Muhammad, this for you, Amir, this for you, Habibi, and Amir, Habibi, this for you. This is Muhammad's pictures. This is Sajjad, this is for Muhammad. This is Amir's picture, and this is for Amir. Is nice, Amir? And this is God. This is for. Okay. Question number 1. And who is the dirtiest person? Show your picture then, Habibi. Show your picture. This you? Okay, show this picture like this. Okay. Okay, I will hold this. Amir is the dirtiest person. He's always, only the things he's making things dirty because he has a lot of toys and always messy everywhere. Okay, hold it again.
Yeah.
Am I right, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely
Okay.
right.
Who is the most clever person? Sajjad? So Sajjad then. Where is Sajjad? Where? Okay, show this picture. Give me this and show that picture.
Why, thank you, everybody.
That no doubt. Sajjad is the most clever person as he is a counselor in his school as well. He's very, very, very clever, mashallah. Yeah, he's mashallah top. We believe that, that's why even their brothers show the picture. Okay, again back. Take this one on you. Well done, Amir. So you know Sajjad is clever, yeah?
And also, Sajjad is clever, but Amir is clever in being naughty.
Yeah, he's clever in being naughty as well, yeah. He's a professor, don't talk about him. He's my professor. Yes, Amir. Okay. Question number 3. Question, yeah? Question number 3. Who is the laziest person?
Maybe you can stick a bit on.
Who is the lazy person? Who is lazy? Okay. Amir is lazy. I don't think he is, but still. Okay.
It's definitely.
Muhammad.
I actually think that I'm the
stop it.
laziest.
Watch it like this. Hold it like this, Baba. Hold it like this. Like this. Okay? Yalla, Baba, hold it. Yalla. Amir got upset because he told him you are lazy. You're not lazy. You're a very good boy.
He's the most
Yalla, stay
energetic.
nicely. Yalla, stay nicely. Good boy.
I actually think I'm lazy because sometimes when I'm like, when on a normal day, I just lie down most of the time. So yeah.
Yes, he's right. He's very lazy. Only if you don't tell him get up and do this, he's very lazy. No. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. Who is the cleanest person? I mean, who is the cleanest person? Matt? Good. This is Matt. Matt.
Wow.
Yes, lazy person, but cleanest person as well. Yes, he cares about himself and about everything. He helps a lot as well. Well done. I'm your turn back. Okay, question number 5. Yes?
Yeah.
Question number 5. Who is top person?
The most thoughtful.
The most top person, yes.
Easy.
Easy.
Who is it?
Really easy
Who
actually.
is the most top person?
Thinking about
Hey,
it.
he's thinking a lot because he's very hard to answer. He has older brothers. Yeah.
You think so?
Who is it? Matt. Okay, Ma. Okay, hold it like this then. Okay. Muhammad is.
He's getting
Yeah, he
too low.
can.
I actually think I'm thoughtful, but I think we're all thoughtful at the same time, but I don't know why.
Okay, carry on. Well done, boys. Well done. This time. Question number 5.
7. Is it 7?
No,
6.
question number 6.
Six.
Sorry, I'm getting confused with it. Question number 6 is, who is playing games the most? FIFA, I mean.
Yeah, that's okay. That's easy.
Who is playing the most?
Who plays FIFA the most? He thinks you should know this. Mom. Oh, but he's missing.
Jab. Yeah, jab. This is jab. Hold it like this.
Yeah, I love FIFA.
Okay.
It's such a great game.
Yeah, it's right. 3 of them is Sajad's picture. So, yeah, Sajad loves FIFA and he's playing a lot.
they
But in the
start
free
to
time,
like it.
he's only playing FIFA, nothing
I
else.
think they may have started to like
Oh.
it too because he's playing with me nowadays.
Yes. He's good in FIFA. The other day he was saying, sorry Messi, I don't love you, I love Ronaldo. And, yalla Baba, sit nicely, Habibi. Oh. Question number 7. Yes?
Yeah.
Who loves Afghanistan the most?
This is so easy. I 100% know
Who
this.
loves, do you love Afghanistan? Yes.
So put yourself.
Okay, I'll show them your picture.
I'm playing with food.
I'm actually gonna
If you can
do the
even
same.
do that.
I'm gonna do the
Okay.
same, but
Guys, that's me. Look, as you can see, they show all the pictures.
Yep.
That's mean all of us will love Afghanistan
Really
so
love
much.
Afghanistan.
that was a small idea, Sika. Well done.
Question number 8 or 9?
8.
That's 8. 8.
Okay, take this one, Baba. Question number 8. Who sleep the most? Who's sleeping the most?
I'm actually gonna think about it because I'm not
And you
sure.
sleep the most. You're right. All night awake and all day sleeping.
Exactly.
I mean, the whole night he's playing around and not letting me sleep.
In
But
the
in the
daytime?
daytime, he completely all day isn't sleeping.
I
That's
agree
when you
with
say
that
I'm
one.
sleeping the most.
I
Yes?
had a big think about that one.
Yeah. Okay. Question number
9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay.
10.
Question number 9.
9. 9.
Okay. Question number 9.
Yes.
Question number 9 is who put pigeon's food every day?
I would put you, but you
Yeah, same.
Sure.
Well, I'm not.
Okay, so
Who put food for my pigeons? You never put it. Don't
You
lie.
can't.
He said he's putting put pigeons food, but not. He never
me.
did. Always
yeah,
Sajad.
when my dad's at work, I always put pigeon food.
Yeah, I have some pigeons, guys, so he's taking care of my pigeons when I'm at work. Okay. Question number 10. That was the final question. And question number 10 is who ate the most?
Very easy. The big bear.
Who eat a lot?
The big bear.
Big bag.
Big boy. Who is big? Muhammad?
Big.
Yeah, Muhammad is big. Okay. So this is guys. This is the guy you can see clear. He's mashallah chubby.
No, it's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's fine.
he's right.
I agree anyway.
Yeah. He's eating mashallah really a lot.
Mashallah.
So now the game is finished. So Muhammad eat a lot and stay with us. We are getting ready, heading to bring food for Muhammad, and we will show you how much he is eating.
Also,
Yeah.
because if
Yeah, we
if
don't
I
get him
stay
food.
without food, then I'll get really angry because food is like one of my favorite things to do.
Wow.
To eat.
So we need to get food quickly.
we have to
Yeah.
get him food quick, otherwise he will be angry. You know that.
Yeah.
So stay with us. Yamir, take this one.
As you guys can see, we have gotten ready, and as we're gonna get this grizzly bear his food because he's getting really angry. And as you guys also can see, Afghanistan is written in our hearts, our minds. The Afghan flag's in our house, and now it's even in our car. I love our beloved flag, and our country is amazing.
Yeah, this
That-
is This is the guys, as you can see, it is the Afghan flag on our car as well, as the Sajjad said it. Hi Muhammad, why you bring us here today?
So why I brought you here today is because last time I tried chicken from Chicken Valley in Church Road, and it was really nice, really delicious, really clean. And also today we're going to order from Chicken Valley. So when we get home, you can see how nice it is. And also, I recommend all friends to try from Chicken Valley in Church Road, and you won't regret it.
Okay, we will see. Sajjad, what do you think about that?
Yeah, it's true. It's very nice. The chicken is very fresh. The chips are delicious. The prices are very cheap. Yeah, so the prices are very cheap. It's very clean. Yeah, and overall the quality of the food is amazing. It's at a good standard. It's just amazing.
Well done. Yes guys, as Sajjad Muhammad said, and Chicken Valley in Church Road, the shop is so clean, as you can see the staff, and it is perfect, and the price is amazing. I'll show you the board. As the price you guys can see is very amazing. And I'll show you the chicken, and it's always fresh. The chicken deserves, as this evening is closing time, but still they have very fresh chicken. And as they follow the rule and the 2-meter distance, because it's lockdown quarantine time, so as you can see, and the cashiers around, and also on the floor, as they follow the rules. So we recommended all the people around Church Road in W10 area to try their chicken, and they won't regret it. It's amazing. So guys, as you can see, we are home now, and we got food from Chicken Valley, as we showed you earlier.
Yes, Daddy, we need to hurry because Mohammed's going to turn into a bear soon, and we need to feed him up.
Yes.
Quickly.
That's true.
Guys, as you can see, mashallah, how much he's eating. 2-piece chicken, and 10 wings, and barbecue wings, and wow, the barbecue smells nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And more hot wings, and how many burgers? Look, 1 burger, 2 burger, 3 burgers. Wow, Muhammad, mashallah, 4 burgers. Guys, look, 5 burgers he eat a night. Wow. You see, look, even more wings. Wow. And look, coleslaw is taking.
Delicious.
And more burgers even. There's more burgers. And sauces. Best service from Peswili for this bear. So, so guys, make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to smash the notification button. We love you all. Bye.